Alright, yeah, so today's video here to give you guys some raw, honest advice when it comes down to your investing journey. And I also want to talk to you guys about how I was able to build my portfolio over $10,000. Now, to be bluntly honest with you guys, bro, that journey on its own took me, the journey of building a portfolio over 10K, it took me 2 years and 3 months. Because I started back in April 2022, for those that are new and that don't really know. And I hit the goal in July. Now, I told you guys already that when I hit that milestone, I cried because it took a lot of reconditioning of my mind. It took a lot of mental strength, and the higher goals that I set out for myself, the more disciplined and strategic I have to be.
Shout outs to HelloFresh. Eating healthy, made easy. Are you tired of eating the same food every single day? It's time to switch it up and allow America's #1 meal kit, HelloFresh, to bring your food right to you. Health is wealth, and with HelloFresh, you will get everything you need all in one box, catered to your liking and family size. The greatest part is you get up to 6 meals per week, which includes free breakfast for a lifetime, right at your doorstep. You can subscribe to their website at HelloFresh.com and use my discount code to receive 10 free meals. Thank you, HelloFresh.
Now, some people think that the stock market or trading or Forex is success happens overnight. But the truth be told is that success is a consistent journey, you know? It's a internal belief that you have to have, because there's a lot that you cannot see that goes on around you, right? There's a lot of reprogramming and reconditioning that you have to do within in order for you to even think that you can accomplish something. Just anything. Now, finances is very, very personal, and some people have, like, as soon as you hear something about money, they cringe or they think negative automatically because they're programmed to think that way. Some people, when you think about money, you automatically think about bills. All these bills I gotta take care of, or whatever. Some people think I use my money to just buy all this stuff. Whatever. Look, bro, bro, I'm the most simplistic person. Got my kicks, you feel me? The sneakers that Mars got me. I'm the most simplistic person. I don't try to wear my money or try to act like I'm this superior person, because people think that looking rich is what makes them rich. I promise y'all, bro, the real rich people, they laugh at people that wear their wealth, because you're looking for the attention, you're looking for the validation from people that they don't care. Okay? Now anyway, like I said, it took me 2 years and 3 months to reach that goal, and it took me a lot of Uber Eats deliveries, bro. Let me tell y'all, I'm close to 13,000 deliveries on Uber Eats. That is extreme, bro. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Uber has been a clutch job for me some people might judge it. Some people may think, oh, Uber is whack and DoorDash is whack, and nobody wants to do that because you're so into your ego and you letting your pride get in the way of you just focusing on the money and helping the people, which is feeding you. I learned to put my ego and pride to the side, bro. That shit is disintegrating. I focus on my financial well-being. I focus on my spiritual well-being. I focus on my mental health. Real talk. My physical growth, my emotional state of being, like my emotional growth. I focus on all areas of my life. And I know, like, bruh, money is important. Money is a tool that I want to strengthen. You know what I'm saying? Money is abundant. There's no scarce out there. You know? And for those that don't think that 10K is possible, it is possible if you believe that it is. If you believe that you can't do it, then you're not gonna put the work in to do it. But if you have to reverse engineer. Let's just say you want to save your first $1,000. Let's just use that as an example, right quick. Okay? You want to save your first $1,000. That is saving $100 10 times. So if you could save $100, or you can invest $100 10 times, there goes your first 1,000. Let's just say the 10K is 100%, and you hit your first 10%. Now you only got 90% left to go. Then you gotta keep doing it. It's something that you have to. It's called repetition. Like, you have to keep doing it over and over and over in order for you to see results. And it takes a lot of discipline. It takes a lot of, like, focus, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, some people be distracted by so much TV, so much fun, so much sports and entertainment, and going to the club and doing this and hanging out with these people. But then when do you zone in on thyself? Now, for those, you might have a family. That should be your goal right there too. You got a family. You should want to conquer your financial goals. Real talk. You feel me? Hold on, let me turn up this AC. So, like, you gotta really keep it real within, bro. Like, some people may say, oh, money isn't everything. Money is not important. Okay, keep lying to yourself then. The more you lie to yourself, the more you're gonna believe it. So you keep telling yourself money is not important, you're gonna just believe that. And then you're not gonna care about no financial goals. You're not even gonna care about learning a skill. How many people in this world don't invest? They don't know what a stock is. They don't know what a piece of real estate in the stock market is. But they can tell you about their favorite TV show and what went on with the show. They can tell you their favorite artists and everything about the artist. But it's like, bro, like, some people don't care about you. Some people not paying your bills. They're not making sure you eat. They're not making sure that you're financially taken care of. Like, you gotta learn how to just focus on yourself. Real talk. You know? Every day I put that belief inside myself. Every day I'm asking God to give me the wisdom. That's the thing. Like, the wisdom and the understanding. Because, let me tell y'all, bro. If you're able to handle $100, if you're able to handle $500, $1,000, God is gonna always give you more. But God is not gonna give you something that you can't handle, or something that you feel like God feel like you just about to mess it up. Like, I feel like that's another reason why people are afraid to, like, reach financial goals, because they feel like they're not gonna know what to do with the money. When it comes down to money, it's not just about what can you buy with it. What can I buy? What car can I get? What clothes can I get? Oh, I can finally get a big ass house. Like, bro, it's not about that. It's not about materialistic all the time, bro. It's about strategic. It's about having that security. You feel me? Yes, you gotta be secure within. God did not sit there and say, oh, everybody walk around the planet just broke and not want no money. God did not say that, bro. God said be fruitful and multiply. You know what I'm saying? So you got all these people thinking that money is not important. They're going to keep living in that cycle. You go to your job to do what? To work for money. To do what? Take care of yourself. So you got to learn how to You gotta remember that you are the asset. You are the number one person on your team. It's God and you. You feel me? And there's no separation. So you gotta remember that, bro. Like, this journey is for you to see your internal power. You feel me? And then even after you reach your 10K goal, now you gotta focus on the next goal, the 20K, the 30K, the 40K, the 50. But you gotta appreciate the journey. Like, you can't be like, all right, what's next? Because then you're not gonna feel fulfilled. Me, I cried for a reason because I really felt that. Like, yo, I really did it. You know? And it took me 2 years and 3 months, but it might take you a year. It might take you a year and a half. Everybody's journey is different, but as long as you reach the goal, that's the universe letting you know, hey, it's possible. Hello. You know? So, shout out to everybody though that's been supporting the channel. New supporters, returning supporters. If you're new to the channel, and we close to 6K, it's right there. It's literally right there. I feel like, honestly speaking, I feel like we could reach 6,000 before the end of this month. That's just what I eternally feel. So if you want to help me, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. If you need help with learning about the stock market or Forex or whatever, join my Telegram chat, join my Discord chat, and yeah, man, that's it. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. Real talk. Anything is possible, bro. You need some apps to download. You can download Yahoo Finance. You can download TradingView. That's how I study the stock market every single day. And then any brokerage account you want to open up, do your research. Study. Do your research and put some money into the assets. Because that's the only way we're going to get rich, bro, is owning assets, bro. You run a business. You own some assets. You own some real estate. And it's all positive income. You know what I'm saying? So, and you stay disciplined. And you stay open to receiving. So yeah, man. That $10,000 goal, bro, that set the bar for myself. Like, to keep reaching higher, but to always enjoy the journey and be grateful. Real talk. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. It's your boy, Terrence Carter. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. TC Talk, TC Fitness. And I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all. Yes, sir.